My name is Ben. I'm part of the customer success team here at Interface, a Bitrix24 Gold partner. And in this video, we're going to be going through linking existing SBA records to other records or entities inside Bitrix. For this video, I've created an account management smart process automation where we can store all of our account information for clients where we've got an active contract with them. In the SBA, we can keep track of these accounts. We can obviously set up the account, onboard them, and then, like I said, keep track of whether they're active, and then when they're inactive, move them to a different pipeline for the inactive accounts, or the ones that have lapsed. Okay? And the idea behind this process is that over time, we're going to be collecting feedback from our accounts to make sure that they're happy with the progress of things, that they're obviously not missing anything, so on and so forth. And for that, we've created a separate SBA called Cloud Feedback, where we're going to be collecting this feedback quarterly, and we can store all that feedback directly in here. Now, as you might know, Bitrix already has the option to link existing SBAs to other entities inside Bitrix, and this can be done by clicking on the gear here in any SBA, clicking on the SBA settings, CRM bindings, and then depending on what you want to set up. So in this case, our client feedback is our child record, whereas our account management SBA is our parent record. So we want to be able to link multiple client feedbacks to a single account management record. So to do that, we're going to, again, select the CRM bindings over here and then use the bind to this SBA option. Select the account management or whatever other SBA you're looking to link for your process, and then enable this adds linked items list to details form as well. Now, you only have to do this on the one SBA, but just to show you what it looks like on the parent side, we're going to go over here to settings, SBA settings, CRM bindings, and we can see here on the parent, we want to use the linked this SBA to other CRM entities and follow the exact same process where we select our SBA that we want to link, in this case, client feedback, enable this add linked items to list to detail forms, have that enabled, save, and you'll be ready to go. Okay. Now, once you've set all of that up, you can then enter or open one of our account managements, and we can see over here, we will have a new tab that shows up inside our account, active account records. And if we click into them, we'll see a list, or if there is a list, of all of the existing client feedback that we've received in the past. Obviously, on the client feedback side, we don't see any other tab, but what we do get is a new field here called account management, which is used to link the account management to our smart process automation. Okay. Now, of course, with this option over here in this field, if we do obviously use this option, we'll have to go through each individual SBA record and update it, save it, update it, save it, so on and so forth. So in order to reduce the amount of work that's required in order to link all of these feedback records to the single records, Bitrix have added a new feature called the select existing item option over here. So, of course, the add new item option over here will create a new item from scratch, which is not what we want in this situation because we've already got the existing feedback. So we can select existing items, and we can see over here, we have a list of the items in our client feedback. We've also got a search, so we can search for all of the relevant records and then select them in here and then apply. Now, I don't have any feedback for ABC Farm, so I'm just going to go into TechCo over here. In fact, we'll go into Colt. And under here, I will select the client feedback and I'll select existing items. And we can see over here, if I type in Colt, we'll see all of the records that we see in here. So we've got two Colt records, so one over here and one over here. So we're going to select the Q4 and the Q1 over here, apply that, and Bitrix will automatically fill in those fields, as I mentioned. So we'll just go up over here into our Colt Tech, and we can see the link created for us. So Bitrix will automatically populate these records that we've selected, and then manually and then automatically link them to our record. So we don't have to go and, work through each record to update them. Now, in terms of use cases, as you can see, I've just showed you one use case today for the account management and the client feedback. However, you could use this for any kind of process where you're using the smart process automation and you need to link it to other entities, whether it's for event management, things like courses, things like account management or anything like that. Okay. If you've got any further questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us or go directly to our website, interface.com. Thank you very much.